What is a mutual fund? In this video, we are going to learn how mutual fund works and who should invest on mutual funds. A mutual fund is an investment option where money from many people is pooled together to buy a variety of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This mix of investments is managed by a professional called money manager. When you are interested in share market but you don't know about how share market works, which are good companies to invest for potential growth, or you don't have time to learn these and you want to invest your hard earned money, mutual funds are good options. Money manager invests your money in share markets, bonds, debts, etc. on behalf of you in exchange of a little commission called expense ratio.